In this video, we will be showing you how the hexagonal close-packed unit cell can also be constructed from a sequence of stacked close-packed planes. The difference between the hexagonal close-packing structure and the face-centered cubic unit structure is in the sequence that we stack these close-packed planes. In the hexagonal close-packed unit cell, the plane sequence repeats every third plane, whereas in the face-centered cubic unit cell, the plane sequence repeats every fourth plane. We refer to this as AB-AB stacking and ABC-ABC stacking. So when we begin this video, you will notice that we have a number of close-packed planes, again shown in red. These planes will then be dissolved to reveal the underlying hexagonal close-packed unit cell, which will be viewable in white.